Hello my fellow classmates, today me and Martina are going to talk to you about smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. This, as you can see, is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached to it, and that's how it got its name. This is where we can see the smooth endoplasmic reticulum right here. There is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the plant cell, as you can see here. There are no ribosomes attached to it, and it could also be seen in the animal cell. So this is smooth ER when looked under a microscope. So I'm going to talk to you a bit more about the structure of smooth ER. A smooth ER consists of a long network of folded tube-like structure. You can think of it like a pipeline with a lot of twists and turns. The interior of the smooth ER is called the lumen, and it is enclosed by a phospholipid membrane, just like the membrane that encloses the entire cell. The number of smooth ER units in a cell depends on the type of cell and what its manufacturing needs are. These units are situated in the cytoplasm, the gel-like substance inside a cell, and are sometimes connected to a unit of rough endoplasmic reticulum. I'm going to talk to you more about the important uses of the endoplasmic reticulum. The first one of it is manufacturing. A smooth ER is largely a manufacturing organelle which makes and distributes molecules that a particular type of cell needs. Most smooth ER in both plant and animal cells make lipids or fatty acids, and so cells involved in lipid manufacturing contain many units of this organelle. As an example, animal endocrine cells that use cholesterol to make steroid hormones have a lot of units of smooth ER. In these cells, the smooth ER manufactures hormones. The smooth ER acts also as a storage organelle. Protein molecules are synthesized and collected in the cisternal space, also called lumen. When enough proteins have been synthesized, they collect and pitch off in vesicles. The vesicles often move to the Golgi apparatus for additional protein packaging and distribution. The last very important use of the ER is in processing toxins. Liver cells in animals also contain plenty of units of smooth ER. In these cells, the organelle has a special role to play. Here, smooth ER uses enzymes to help the liver with detoxification. These enzymes break down toxic compounds, including ethanol, from drinking alcohol. So, thank you for your attention.
Hello, my name is Martin, and today I will be talking about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. But first I will explain what an endoplasmic reticulum is. It is a membrane system of folded sacs and interconnected channels that serves as a site for protein and lipid synthesis. The various folds of the endoplasmic reticulum provide a large surface where cellular functions can take place. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is a form of endoplasmic reticulum that is studded with ribosomes. Since it has ribosomes stuck all over it, it has a bumpy appearance and is therefore called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now I will talk about it. It is an extensive organelle composed of a greatly convoluted but flattish sealed sac that is continuous with the nuclear membrane. It is called rough endoplasmic reticulum because it is studded on its outer surface with ribosomes. These are called membrane-bound ribosomes and are firmly attached to the outer cytosolic site of the endoplasmic reticulum. About 13 million ribosomes are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum in the average liver cell. A rough endoplasmic reticulum is found through the cell, but the density is higher near the nucleus and the Golgi apparatus. Ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum are called membrane-bound and are responsible for the assembly of many proteins. This process is called translation. Certain cells of the pancreas and digestive tract produce a high volume of protein as enzymes. Many of the proteins are produced in quantity in the cells of the pancreas and the digestive tract and function as digestive enzymes. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, working with membrane-bound ribosomes, takes polypeptides and amino acids from the cytosol and continuous protein assembly, including at an early stage, recognizing a destination label attached to each of them. Proteins are produced for the plasma membrane Golgi apparatus, secretly vesicles, plant vacuoles, lysosomes, endosomes, and the endoplasmic reticulum itself. Some of the proteins are delivered into the lumen space inside the endoplasmic reticulum, when others are processed within the endoplasmic reticulum membrane itself. In the lumen, some proteins have sugar groups added to them to form glycoproteins. Some have metal groups added to them. It is in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, for example, that 4 polypeptide chains are brought together to form hemoglobin. Now I will explain what the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum is. It looks like a pile of folded paper. It is composed of membranes that are folded into one another to provide maximum surface area for the cell to use. The membranes that make up the rough endoplasmic reticulum are composed of lipids, just like the membrane that surrounds the entire cell itself. The surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum is dotted with other organelles known as ribosomes. Ribosomes are cellular organelles composed of 2 subunits that produce proteins.